There might be a few possible answers here, but I'll talk about the one I came up with. If you came up with a different one that might be right, I'd like to see it. We'll start by moving all the way left, and then, while we haven't found what we're looking for, if the piece you're looking at is blue, you'll need to keep looking, move one space right. Else, if the piece to the right is blue, you should stop because you found it. Else, if the piece to the right is yellow, move a space right. I think it's a good way to start by moving all the way left, because that means the first time we find a yellow followed by a blue, that'll be the leftmost one. Now, as long as we haven't found it, we're going to keep looking. While we're looking, if the piece you're looking at is blue, like right here, that means that we haven't found what we're looking for yet, and we should move one space right. Otherwise, that means the piece that you're looking at is yellow, and if the one to the right of it is blue, so if we were right here, we're looking at a yellow, the one to the right is blue, you would stop because you found it. But if you're looking at a yellow and the piece to the right is also yellow, we haven't found what we're looking for and we need to keep moving. So in that case, we still move a space right. So the way that this would work on this input is we would start all the way to the left, and we haven't found it yet, so we would look at the piece. It's blue, so we move right. We still haven't found it, so we look at this piece. It's blue, so we move right. We still haven't found it, so we look at this piece. It's blue, so we move right. We look at this piece. It's not blue, so we check what the piece to the right is. The piece to the right is not blue, so we check. If the piece to the right is yellow, which it is, then we move a space right. Okay, now we need to check again. If the piece you're looking at is blue, nope. Else, if the piece to the right is blue, yep. You want to stop because you found it. So it looks like it works on this input.